كيف الشغل؟
شغل كمان كويس الحمد لله.
الحمد
مشغول
لله.
مرة مشغول.
معلش.
चलो बेटा, please. Thank you. So I think the last class we had was 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, easily.
Yeah, it was a long time.
Yeah.
So last time you told me that you want to have a class of interviews, right?
Yes, interview, because I was taking an interview. In fact, I have an interview scheduled for tomorrow. I'm going to
Oh,
interview someone tomorrow. Yeah.
okay. I see.
And it's a fresh graduate, law background, female.
See,
Yeah.
this is also a bank position.
Yes, a bank position.
Okay, nice. Okay, so you know that interview is interview. We call it مقابلة.
مقابلة.
Yes, مقابلة. Okay.
مقابلة.
مقابلة. مقابلة.
مقابلة.
It's coming from the word يقابل, to meet.
To meet,
Okay. مقابلة is interview. Okay. And also you will hear the word مقابل, which is opposite, like مقابل البنك, opposite the bank. Did you hear this?
Yes, إمام البنك مقابل هذا كذا هيك.
Yes.
مقابل bank.
Opposite. So yes, and you have also يقابل is to meet. يقابل is to meet. Okay. So all of them, because you meet face to face, opposite another person, you know, or a staff. So it's all related. So you say مقابلة. You can put it in a sentence. So you say عندي عندي مقابلة.
Meeting. I have a meeting.
بكرة or غدا. Okay. في بنك الرياض. Okay. فرع النسيم. Nasim branch.
Farah Nasim, right? Farah's branch.
Yeah, Farah's branch. Okay.
Yep.
So this is a part. Let's go to the questions, like some of the questions that could be asked in an interview. They would ask you about احكي لي عن نفسك, which means tell me about yourself. Okay.
عن نفسك. يعني if I say this, she'll continue saying in Arabic.
خبرني. خبرني is like inform me. Okay. Inform me. Okay.
Okay.
Me. You want to say it like if you started what?
If I start speaking like this, احكي لي عن نفسك. So she'll start speaking in Arabic.
Yes.
You know, but I'm going to get some shocks tomorrow. So yeah, I'm going to use this.
So you are the one who will make the interview, or you will go into an interview?
No, I'm taking the interview.
You're taking an interview.
No, a fresh graduate to join our team. So, and her English is not good.
Her English is not good.
Yeah, I'm not going alone. I'm taking my team with me. 2 people from my team.
So you can say, so she is a female or he is male?
Female.
So it's a female. So you say احكي لي عن نفسك. Okay, and there's gonna be خبريني, not خبرني. خبريني.
خبريني.
Yes.
Okay, inform. خبريني.
Inform me, yes. خبريني. Okay. If you want to ask, for example, عن دراستك. Tell me about your study. دراستك, your study. Okay. Inform me about your study. Or inform me about your study. Okay.
Okay.
So احكي لي عن نفسك. خبريني عن دراستك. Okay. Or دراستك. And she is going, of course, to tell you about her. And if she said, for example, like, I'm gonna tell you also about the answers. Like she can say, أنا تخرجت or أنا درست في جامعة الإمام. For example, إمام University. Okay. أنا درست في جامعة الإمام في كلية الحقوق. Faculty of Law. Okay. وتخرجت. It means I'm graduated. Okay. Graduated. تخرجت سنة let's say for example 2009 for example.
Yeah. وتخرجت سنة وتخرجت يعني that's when I graduated.
Yes, تخرجت. أنا تخرجت 2004 وأنت يا سمير؟
2007.
طبعا أنا أكبر منك.
أي شيء.
أنت اتولدت في أي سنة؟
85.
85. أنا 83.
فعشان إيه 2-3 سنة.
Yeah. Okay. So this is how this is the question. Okay. And if you ask also after this question, أنت اشتغلتي في أي مكان من قبل؟ اشتغلتي؟
Did you work before? اشتغلتي?
Yes. اشتغلتي.
Did you work somewhere?
Yes, because she's a female, as you told me.
Yeah.
Okay.
اشتغلتي.
Yes.
اشتغلتي.
اشتغلتي في أي مكان من قبل. Okay. You worked at any place before. Okay. So she can say أنا اشتغلت مشرفة. For example, مشرفة as supervisor. مشرفة في حياة مول for example. Okay. أنا اشتغلت مشرفة في حياة مول. Then you're going to ask another question as it's an interview. You can say ليش تركتي وظيفتك or ليش تركتي العمل. ليش تركتي.
Why do you want to work with us?
No, ليش تركتي. Why did you leave? Like
okay.
ليش تركتي العمل في الحياة مول. Why did you leave the work at حياة مول? Okay. So she's going to say, of course, there is an exact answer for this.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a better job.
Better opportunity, career progression, whatever. But it's only about me.
Yes, أنا أبحث. I'm searching. Okay, أنا أبحث عن وظيفة أفضل. Okay, بمرتب متميز with a special salary. Okay. متميز.
What does it mean? أنا أبحث.
I'm searching for a job. أنا أبحث عن وظيفة أفضل.
أنا أبحث عن وظيفة أفضل بمرتبة.
مرتب. Salary. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so then this is also a part that you can cover it in your في المقابلة الشخصية. You just take these here. And there will be also another question. ليش قدمتي في هذه الوظيفة؟ Okay. ليش قدمتي في like why did you introduce yourself for this job.
Okay.
ليش
Why did you
قدمت
apply for the job كده؟
Yes. Why did you apply for this job? Yes, exactly. Why ليش قدمتي في هذه الوظيفة? Okay. So she can say
في هي الوظيفة أو هذه الوظيفة؟
في هاي الوظيفة أو هذه الوظيفة okay. ليش قدمت في هاي الوظيفة أو في هذه الوظيفة؟ She can say for example أنا أشعر I feel إني أقدر أعمل في هذه الوظيفة okay. و also she can say أطور means I develop من نفسي أيضا. Like she feels like she can work in this job for the job, okay, and she can develop herself too, okay.
نفسي عايزة يعني myself. نفسي is myself.
Yes, you can say أطور نفسي, develop myself, or أطور من نفسي from myself. Like this is also we use it in Arabic both.
Okay. وأطور من نفسي عايزة.
Yes, أنا أحب أطور من نفسي. I like to develop, okay, myself from myself. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So these are some of the examples that can be. Do you have any question related to these on your screen?
No, this is fine.
Okay. So
one question is that would you be able to put this on the link and share it by tomorrow morning, or is it not possible?
Inshallah, after I finish, I will just I will upload it and send it to you once we are done.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Inshallah, yeah. Okay. So shall I read?
Yeah. Go ahead. This is fine.
Okay. So also another question that we always find in interviews. ليش نختارك لهذه الوظيفة. Okay, like if you tell her ليش نختارك أنت لهذه الوظيفة. Okay, why do we choose you for this job? Like why not others? ليش نختارك أنت لهذه الوظيفة. Okay, so she has to say of course lots of details like أنا مجتهدة. مجتهدة means hard worker. Okay, أنا مجتهدة. I'm hard worker. Okay, وأحب التعلم دائما. Okay, I like to learn. I'm always. دائما means always, all the time. Okay.
دائما, always, دائما.
Yes, أنا مجتهدة وأحب التعلم دائما. وكثيرا أقرأ في كل المجالات, and a lot I read in all the fields. المجالات. Okay. لأكون. Okay. Or by the way, instead of saying لأكون, you can say عشان. Okay, do you know this? This
yeah.
Yes. وكثيرا أقرأ في كل المجالات عشان أكون. You can use it like this. Okay, عشان لأكون or عشان أكون جاهزة means to be ready. Okay. في أي وقت لأي وظيفة, for any job, لأي وظيفة مناسبة. Okay, like I'm hard worker.
Okay, أنا مجتهدة
وأحب التعلم دائما, and I love learning a lot. وكثيرا and a lot أقرأ في كل المجالات. I read in all the fields. عشان أكون جاهزة, to be ready في أي وقت, at any time, لأي وظيفة, for any job مناسبة, which is for any suitable job. Okay.
Okay.
Too much?
Yeah, a little too much, but it's okay.
Yes, you can say. So the question is ليش نختار أنت or أنتي لهذه الوظيفة? Okay. So this is also one of the questions that you can find.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, one of the questions that are in interviews that you can find is ايش تبحث؟ Okay. ايش تبحث عنه؟ تبحث عنه في هذه الوظيفة. By the way, what's the position, by the way? Like I'm teaching you and I don't know what's the position.
Position is contract specialist.
A contract specialist. Okay. متخصص عقود you mean.
I know.
Okay. So ايش تبحث عن or ايش تبحثي yes or انتي تبحثي let's write it or rephrase it انتي تبحثي عن ايش okay عن ايش في هذه الوظيفة you are looking for what in this job yes you're looking for what okay so if she's superficial so she's gonna say أنا أبحث عن راتب أنا أبحث عن راتب أفضل and in this kind of I think she's not gonna be suitable for the job.
That's a very bad thing to say. A very wrong thing to say.
That's
Although
wrong.
that's not the truth, but that's something you hide. That's a truth you hide in a job interview.
No, she can say it, but she can say it, but this is not the first reason. This is not the first reason that she should use it. It will actually her experience, like her خبراتها will tell you more. Like if she has an experience, it will appear in her interview in her answers. Like you can also ask her خبريني عن خبراتك اوكي العملية والحياتية like tell me about your practical experience and your life experience خبرات عملية practical experience خبرات حياتية which means life experience okay so she can say like أنا كنت قائدة okay قائدة means I was a leader okay أنا كنت قائدة means I was a leader في فريق الجامعة the university team okay I was a leader in the university team okay والحين بالنسبة للخبرات الحياتية for the life experiences أنا
and now والحين is and now for my life experiences that's what it is right بالنسبة is what
regarding بالنسبة means regarding actually بالنسبة has many meanings one of them like when I say بالنسبة لي it means regarding me or for me this is أنا أحب التفاح وأنت so you can say بالنسبة لي أنا أحب الرمان بالنسبة لي أنا أحب الرياض وأنت you can say بالنسبة لي أنا أحب جدة okay or جدة so this is how you use it but also you can use نسبة which is like percentage like بنسبة 100% أنا وطني I am a patriot 100% over 100% أنا وطني okay so بالنسبة is percentage okay and بالنسبة also means regarding and for okay you got it now in this context
بالنسبة because this is very commonly heard term بالنسبة
yes بالنسبة you mean you hear it in what which translation exactly I don't know which one you hear
in too many in a normal conversation overhearing a conversation you hear this a lot of times so بالنسبة أكون هذا يعني these are common words
yeah بالنسبة للشغل بالنسبة ليوم الأربعاء أنا فاضي I'm free I'm not busy okay لكن يوم الجمعة أنا مشغول okay also you can say if you compare between cars you can say Toyota أفضل من هيونداي بنسبة 90% okay, in a percentage of 19%.
بنسبة
Yes.
9%. يعني I tell this to people. أنا فهمت عربي 30%. So I
بنسبة
can say أنا فهمت عربي بنسبة 30% كده.
Yes, excellent. أنا فهمت بنسبة 100%. For example 100%.
100% إن شاء الله.
Yeah, this is
بعد سنة إن شاء الله.
100%. You put it here. Yes, like this. أنا فهمت بنسبة 100%. I understand 100%. Okay. Fine. So والحين بالنسبة للخبرات الحياتية, she's going to say, for example, أنا متزوجة وعندي طفلين, for example. طفلين أحمد وعلي.
I'm married and I have 2 kids, Ahmed and Ali.
Yes, I have 2 kids, Ahmed and Ali.
متزوجة is female.
متزوجة yes for female, and متزوج for male. Okay, أنا متزوج. Okay, this is, you want to say I am married.
أنا متزوج.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have عندك أي سؤال في هذا الجزء؟
لا.
Okay.
واضح.
واضح. Let's go to another one. Let me erase this. So let's say إيش نقاط القوة عندك for female. Okay, what are the points of strength in you? Okay, or for you. إيش
قوة
is strength. Okay. إيش نقاط القوة عندك? Like, yes, tell me أو خبريني إيش نقاط القوة عندك. This is how you.
إيش يميز.
What's special about you?
إيش يميز شخصيتك.
إيش يميز. Yeah, it's okay. All of them are right. So إيش نقاط.
لا, إيش يميز شخصيتك is for male and female or just or is it specific gender?
gonna be شخصيتك. Tick. Always female tick. عندك. شخصيتك. Okay, سيارتك. But for male it will be سيارتك. عندك. ابنك. But for female it will be ابنك. Your son. For you I'm gonna say بنتك. But for her I'm gonna say بنتك. For you I'm gonna say شعرك. Your hair. But for her I'm gonna say شعرك. Your hair. For female. Okay.
Okay.
So إك عندك شعرك سيارتك. Okay. بلدك, your country, بلدك. Okay. Your country. Okay.
Yeah.
So إيش نقاط القوة عندك? So she will say, for example, أنا صبورة. For example, أنا صبورة. I'm patient. Okay. ومجتهدة. She will repeat herself, of course. Hard worker. Okay. وأعمل تحت ضغط means I work under pressure. Okay. And of course after you finish this you will say إيش نقاط الضعف عندك. Okay. Or there is also another way to say it. You can say إيش نقاط ضعفك. You see, what are your weakness points? Your weakness points means ضعفك. نقاط ضعفك. So you don't have to say إيش نقاط القوة عندك. What are the strength points for you or in you? No, you can say إيش نقاط ضعفك. Okay. أنت ضعيفة في إيش. Okay. So she can say, for example, أنا ضعيفة. Let me just write ضعيفة في الكتابة بسرعة. على الكيبورد. Okay.
Write on the keyboard. I'm slow in writing on the keyboard.
Yeah, أنا ضعيفة في الكتابة على الكمبيوتر for example. I'm weak on writing fast on the computer. Okay. She can say also أنا ما أقدر أستخدم Microsoft Word. She will fail if she said this. Okay. Microsoft.
لا لا لازم علمت حالي.
Word, for example. So أنا ما أقدر أستخدم Microsoft Word. This is going to be also used as a point of weakness. Okay. So you can say إيش نقاط قوتك? What are your strength points? And إيش نقاط ضعفك? What are your weakness points? Also, one more question you can ask. إيش أحلامك في المستقبل? Like, what are your dreams? Like, also you have to know the mentality of the person you are dealing with. You say إيش أحلامك?
أحلامك.
Yes. But for you, as a man, I'm gonna say أحلامك, your dream.
أحلامك.
Okay. So إيش أحلامك في المستقبل? Yes. What are your dreams in the future? Okay. So we say أحلامي إني أكون صاحبة مكتب محاماة مثلا. مكتب محاماة. Okay. You know مكتب محاماة, of course, right?
Owner of a law firm.
Law office, like
law firm, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna be owner. My dreams to be an owner for a law office. Okay. وأدافع means I defend. وأدافع عن كل المظلومين. مظلومين. Yes.
مظلوم. The needy.
No, needy means محتاج. Needy person. Yes. A needy person is شخص محتاج. Okay. But here you're talking about مظلوم. Okay, which means he is an innocent person or he is oppressed. You know, the person who is oppressed or wrong, or he is judgely wronged, you know, or judged wrongly.
Yeah, wrongly judged, or you know, yes. a victim basically.
He's a victim. Okay. So because victim in Arabic we call him ضحية.
ضحية. Okay.
Yes. Like, did you hear about the lady that threw her 2 kids in the river? Did you hear about this?
When?
It happened in Iraq. She got divorced, and her revenge is that she got her 2 kids and she threw them into the river. And she was captured on street cameras, like on the bridge. There were cameras there, and they recorded the incident. Very bad scene, actually. So you can say الأولاد ضحية غباء الأم. Like the kids were the victims of the الغباء, which is being stupidity, the stupidity of the mother. Yeah, so here we are. It's famous. I like you. I'm gonna send it to you. It's very famous.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Anyway, so إيش أحلامك في المستقبل؟ So أحلامي إني أكون صاحبة مكتب محاماة وأدافع عن المظلومين. It means to defend all the wrong or oppressed people or the wrong judgely people. Okay. Yes. So yeah, these are some of the questions that can be covered. Of course, you can ask more details about the job itself. I don't know what you are looking, you yourself, what you are looking for from the character. Of course,
basically, we want someone who would handle the administrative tasks and contractual basic tasks, administrative tasks, basically. But if they have knowledge of law, they can, help us with the contracts. That is why we're looking for law graduates.
And also, but one question which is famous also, ايش تعرفي عن like you work in which bank? You told me البنك السعودي.
Investment. لا استثمار.
بنك الاستثمار. So you can ask here also ايش تعرفي ايش عن بنك الاستثمار.
What do you know about bank الاستثمار?
It's a very famous question that if I'm applying for the place, I have to know more about it. Is it the same like the banks? الاستثمار, is it for investing only, or what kind of offering that the bank is offering? So you also did she prepare for interview or not? Yes.
Very clear. Yes.
And also at the end, you can ask her questions like, do you have عندك أي سؤال? Like, because I know that after the interviews, you don't have to give her like if she's with you or no.
Yeah.
So you can ask.
Immediately.
You will tell her? No.
So it's actually coming from a recommendation. So
that's the recommendation.
So we either take her if she's nice. If she's not nice, then we have to give a good justification because she's coming from a big recommendation.
You have to wait for me, Samir. Okay, I will end my contract this year, and and I will do this interview with you. Okay. So yes, you can tell her عندك أي أسئلة؟ عندك أي أسئلة؟ You have any questions? Okay. Yes. عندك أي استفسارات? Do you have any inquiry? استفسار. You have استفسار. عندك استفسار. This is also a question. عندك استفسار. Do you have an inquiry? Okay. And استفسارات. استفسارات, which means inquiry. Yes. So these are some.
If I say in the سؤال, is it wrong?
عندي or عندك?
Oh, sorry. عندك أي سؤال? Is that wrong?
Yeah, no, it's not wrong. What? عندك أي أسئلة or عندك? You can say عندك سؤال. You can say عندك سؤال. عندك أسئلة. أي أسئلة. أي سؤال. That's right.
Because when we say like this, if I have a question, I'll say, if I call someone, I'll say عندي سؤال واحدة.
Yeah, عندي سؤال واحد. No, عندي سؤال واحد. But I can عندي سؤالين. I have 2 questions. عندي أسئلة كثيرة. I have lots of questions.
Yes,
عندي أسئلة. Okay. So عندك أي سؤال؟ عندك أي أسئلة؟ Okay.
طيب.
Yes, like that. And also one of the things you can say ايش طموحك؟ ايش طموحك بعد سنتين or
Where do you see yourself after 2 years?
What's your ambition? ايش طموح is ambition. ايش طموحك بعد سنتين من العمل معنا؟ Yes.
With us.
Yes, كخبيرة عقود, for example, خبيرة, an expert, like a contract expert, okay? خبيرة عقود. Okay. ايش طموحك? What's your ambitions after 2 years of working with us? Okay. So, and she have to tell you طموحي. Maybe she's gonna say, I want to be a bank manager or something. Yeah, tomorrow.
Very much possible.
What?
I said it's very much possible nowadays.
Yeah, nowadays anybody can be a bank manager. Yeah. Young people.
Not just a bank, but any manager. Anybody can be any manager now.
Anybody.
You record. I'll not say more, but yeah.
Yeah. Now, do you want me to stop the recording?
Just saying that, مقابلة.
مقابلة
مقابلة.
عمل. Yes, which is
مقابلة.
yes, work
مقابلة عمل.
interview or job interview. And مقابلة
Mhm.
شخصية, personal interview.
Yep.
Personal شخصية is personal. مقابلة شخصية.
Mhm.
Okay. Also, one of the things you can ask ايش هواياتك. ايش هواياتك. هواياتك. What are your hobbies?
Mm.
Okay.
هوايات.
What are your hobbies? Yes. ايش هواياتك?
Mm.
And she should say هواياتي. For example, الغناء. الغناء, which is singing. Okay.
غناء.
Yes. والجري. الجري means running or jogging. Okay. ولعب. You can say, for example, ولعب البولينج. Okay.
Playing bowling. Yeah.
Bowling. Bowling is bowling in Arabic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bowling.
Yes. And also, this is Hayek. Also, you can say ايش تسوي. If you want to know more about the personality, you will say ايش تسوين في وقت فراغك. What do
What
you
do you
do
do in your
in your free time? Okay. So she can say أنا أجلس مع أسرتي. I sit with my family. Okay. وأتحدث معهم. Okay. Or وأتكلم معهم. Let's say وأتكلم معهم في أمور عامة. أمور عامة means general matters. Okay. They talk in general matters. Okay. وأحيانا عن مشاكل العمل. Sometimes about work troubles. Okay. Or problems. She can add
العمل.
أحيانا, sometimes.
Yeah.
Yes. أحيانا, sometimes. أحيانا, just sometimes. Okay. And CV, we call it in Arabic سيرة ذاتية. Did you hear this word before? سيرة ذاتية.
ذاتية. سيرة ذاتية. نعم. هي.
Which is the CV, or yes.
Actually, I received it just today. I don't know what she called it.
If she writes it in Arabic, she's going to write السيرة الذاتية. الذاتية.
She wrote her name and that's it. No, she didn't write anything. So it's
Oh,
just her name.
she didn't write anything up.
You see, this is one page CV. If you can see, this is just one page here, this much.
It's
That's it.
it's empty page.
That's it. That's it's half page. That's it.
Yeah,
That's the CV.
yeah. She doesn't have a CV. Yeah. And also, one of the things you can ask, كم راتب تتوقعي, like كم راتب. Okay, you can say كم راتب تتوقعين في أول عملك معنا.
What is your salary in the previous
Yeah,
job?
how much salary do you expect in the beginning of your work with it?
Let us with us. With us, okay.
Yes. كم راتب تتوقعين. Okay. Or you can say it in another way. تتوقعين. You expect. نعطيكي. We give you. نعطيكي. كم راتب or قد ايش. how much. قديش, you know, did you hear this word before? قديش, it means how much.
لا
قديش.
قد أعيش
قديش.
والله مرة
تتوقعين نعطيكي قديش راتب. Okay,
أعطيك.
so you can use both. كم راتب تتوقعين في أول عملك. Okay, or تتوقعين نعطيكي كم قديش راتب, like you expect we give you how much salary.
تتوقعين is expectation.
You expect. تتوقعين for female.
Oh.
But for you, you say تتوقع. Okay?
توقع.
Yes.
اوكي كم راتب تتوقع في اول
Yeah.
عملك؟
عملك, yes. عملك for female.
عملك for female.
Yes. Okay?
تتوقع.
Yes. And also you can ask her انت تتكلمين عربي وايش تاني؟ واي لغة؟ Yes.
انجليزي. And how is your English? How is your English?
Yeah. كيفك في الانجليزي؟ كيفك في الانجليزي؟
How are you and how is your English basically? كيفك في الإنجليزي؟
كيفك في الانجليزي؟ How are you in English? So she's gonna say أنا نص نص. Or مو كويسة مرة. مو كويسة مرة. Like I'm not so much fine in it. Okay. نص نص means half and half. Okay. Or she's gonna say أنا ممتازة. Okay. That makes sense. ممتازة. Or جيد. Good. Or جيدة. Good also for female. أنا جيدة في الإنجليزي. Okay. Yeah. So كيفك في الإنجليزي. And by the way, also everything in the CV you can ask about it. Like if she writes she's good in Microsoft Office, you can tell her ايش تعرفي عن في Microsoft Office.
Okay. What do you know in Microsoft Office?
Yes. This will tell you, of course, like she was gonna say, I know أنا أعرف أكتب على الوورد وأسوي جدول, you know, جدول table. Okay, وأعرف أستخدم الباوربوينت والإكسل, you know, because many write it only just to fill the CV and they don't know anything about it. Yeah. So this is all regarding the interviews. This is the basics actually, but if you have something you want to ask, just tell me.
Technical خلاص لا يعني I'll leave it to my colleague to ask the technical stuff. I'll ask a couple of things from here.
You will shoot a couple of things, you mean?
Yeah, I'll shoot. I'll shoot and I'll wait for the answer. And because if the answer is so, you know, in thick or يعني فصحى عربي, which I expect, then I'm
no. You expect that she's gonna answer in Fusha? I'm not sure of this. Nobody answers here in Fusha.
Okay, I hope not. I'm just saying عشان هي انجليزي مو كويس عشان اليوم اليوم بس what's an appointment؟
موعد
اليوم موعد عشان بكره انترفيو مقابلة يعني تكلم ما في كلام انجليزي كمان مرة ما في كلام.
ايوه. So هي خريجة جديدة. She is a fresh graduate. خريجة
نعم. تخرج جديد.
خريجة جديدة. خريجة جديدة.
سنة هذا.
Yes. That's it. Yeah. Fresh graduate.
Fresh graduate.
So
يلا خلاص. Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome, dear Samir.
تخرج. So it's fresh graduate is what? تخرج جديدة.
No, خريج جديد. خريج. هي خريجة جديدة. خريجة جديدة.
خريجة جديدة. Fresh graduate.
fresh graduate. تخرجت means graduated. هي تخرجت or أنا تخرجت. I graduated. تخرجت. تخرجت.
أنا
Yes. من كلية الحقوق. Okay. I graduated from faculty of law. من جامعة. Okay. الإمام, for example, from Imam University.
كلية is faculty, sir.
Yeah.
Faculty.
كلية faculty جامعة university.
جامعة university.
هذا كل شيء.
إن شاء الله 100% ما شاء الله.
إن شاء الله.
One more thing, and in the next class, can we do a quick, maybe half the song of Majid, Abdul Majid Abdullah.
Which
من
one?
مثلك.
يتميز.
من مثلك.
من مثلك.
Yeah, and أنا من قبل أعرفك.
Okay, I'm gonna write them. أنا من قبل أعرفك.
Hey, هذا يعني I think the song name is قبل أعرفك.
Okay, I'm gonna.
خليني خلال كده I don't know.
Okay.
before I knew you something.
Okay, so next class, nice. We're gonna study it together. Okay. So.
And by the way, the last time when we had this Amr Diab song and the other song, the mystery, the Egyptian singer song, yeah, Mini. The YouTube did not upload it because because it has a software basically. If you use any other music there, it will say no, there's a copyright issue here.
Yeah, I don't know what to do in this kind of like you
Huh?
No, I think you have to faster to make the music faster, so they are not gonna know what is happening.
No, either don't play it directly on your laptop. You can play it on your phone, and you can play it pause kida. Then it'll very.
Did you
then
search,
the software?
Did you search for it or no? You didn't.
Which one?
لما النسيم. This was when the breeze. This was the song that we.
Yeah, I didn't search for it. I heard it only when we did it together.
I see. Okay. Fine. Okay.
خلاص يلا إن شاء الله. I'll see you very soon إن شاء الله.
By the way, if you want to have a class Friday morning, if you are awake, I'm fine. Like if you're awake early, I'm fine. Like 10 a.m., I'm fine.
Friday morning?
Yeah, I'm fine. If it's
usually Fridays I wake up late. Just take a shower, go for Salah. So.
Or after Salah, if you have 1 hour free, okay, I can do it with you also after Salah.
Definitely, I'll let you know. That's usually that time is I'm home that time anyway.
Yeah. Okay.
Salas, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And Mohamed, do you also use STC Pay or you don't?
I don't use it. I didn't try it before.